We're going to look at the external view of the heart structure. This is, of course, the human heart. This is a drawing of the human heart that we're looking at. And we're going to look at the structures that form the heart externally. The first structure is the right atrium, which looks like a small ear of the heart. Below it we have the right ventricle, so this is the right side of the heart. And on the left side of the heart we have the left ventricle, and above it we have the left atrium. This big artery is called the aorta, and this artery is the pulmonary artery. We're going to see later the different functions of the aorta and the pulmonary artery. Behind the pulmonary artery we have the pulmonary vein. They're both called pulmonary because they are related to the lungs. On top we have the vena cava, which is a large vein, and it collects blood from the body organs so that this blood can enter the heart. So these are basically the structures that form the heart externally. You will learn their functions later on. Remember that structure relates to function, so they have different structures because they're adapted to different functions. And finally, here on the outside you can see arteries. These are called coronary arteries. These are the arteries that feed the heart with oxygen, nutrients, and take away the waste.